Good morning, dear children, and welcome back to your maths class. And today's class, I hope it will be very interesting to you to learn the new topics near you. Right? So today we are going to learn about the new thing, that is your prime number, composite number, co-prime number. Okay? So first of all, you have to know their meaning. Right? Pay attention, everyone. This class is very important. Why? Whatever I am going to teach you today, this is not only for your class 4. No. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is when your college. This, whatever I am going to teach you today, this you will remember for your whole life. For your whole life, or I can say you, for your school life, college life, further studies life. This is very important, those who are doing maths. Right? Okay, first of all, your class 4 maths. Today's date 30 09 2020. Alright, children? Okay. Alright, children, class 4 maths 39 2020. Right. Now, today we are going to deal with what? Prime numbers. Okay. Prime number. First of all, you have to know what is prime number. Prime numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 1 and the number itself. Whatever number you are asked to find the prime number, okay, or factors, they have only 2 factors. All the prime numbers have 2 factors. One is 1, another one is the number which you are asked to find that factor. Understood, children? So what is prime number? Prime numbers are those numbers which is divisible only by 1 and the number itself. The number which are divisible by 1 and the number itself. Okay, children, what is prime number? Prime number are the number which are divisible by 1 and the number itself. Okay, now suppose example I'll give you 2. Is, what are the factors of 2? First of all, 1 will be in every factor. Yes, children, I have said you before also. Then 1 how much? 1 2 the 2. That means what? See here, the number which are divisible by 1 and the number itself. 1, correct? Number, what is this? 2. So this is what? Your prime number. Okay? Next, number 3. 3 is divisible by 1. Yes? 1. Then 1 3 is a 3. See how many factors are there? Only 2 factors. Only 2 factors are there. So this is also your prime number. Why this is your prime number? I am going to discuss this also. See, 2. How many factors are there? 2 factors. Divisibility test. 2 divisible by 1. 2 is there, so divisible by the number itself. Both the rules followed, applied, completed, success. Right? Next, question number 3. Here, 3 divisible by 1. Point number 1 done. Point number 2, the number itself. What is this? 3 divisible by 3. So this is also your prime number. Right, children? Okay. Now take example of 4. When you take example of 4, 1 4 the 4. Then 2 2 the 4. How many numbers are there? How many factors are there? There are 3 factors. Right, children? How many factors are there? 1 2 3. So this is not a prime number. Why? Because prime number says that divisible by 1. Yes, it is divisible by 1. And the number itself only. The number itself only. But here 2 is also there. Yes or no? So for becoming your prime number, it has to be 1 and the number itself. But what is we? There is 2 also. So this is not a prime number. For becoming a prime number, there should be only 2 factors. These 2 factors. How many factors are present here? 2. Here 2. Now take example of 5. Take example of 5. 5, 1. Yes, it is divisible by 1. 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. 5 is not there. 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. 5 is not there. 4. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. 5 is not there. Then 5. 5 1 is 5. That means what? Here also divisible by 1. Yes. And 5. Number itself. Yes or no? And the number itself. So what is this? 5 5. So yes, this is also a prime number. Understood, children? Take example of 6. Take example of 6. 6 divisible by 1. Yes, 1. How much? 6. Then 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. So 2 3 is 6. Then 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. Not there. 5 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. Not there. Then 6 6 1 is 6. Now check here how many factors are there. 1 2 3 4. So 4 factors are there. So is this a prime number? No. It is not a prime number. Why? Because for becoming a prime number, there should be only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. But here 1 2 3 4. 4 factors are there. So this is not a prime number. Right, children? What is mean by prime number? Did you understand, everyone? Yes. Prime number means what? There should be only 2 factors. One is the divisible by 1, 1, and the number is whatever number will be there, that has to be there in the last. Only 2 digits will be there, 2 factors. In case of non-prime number, there can be any. Suppose here 4, 1, 2, 3. 3 factors were there. 1 is also divisible and the number itself, but in middle number are there. So this is not a prime number. Right. In the next question 5, here also 1 and 5. That means 1, 2. 2 factors. Yes, this is also a prime number. When you talk about 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 factors are there. So not a prime number. So it is a cross. Understood, children? Done? Okay. Now we will talk about composite number. Now we will talk about composite number. Like here, how many numbers are there? 2. 2 factors, right? So this is not a composite number. Here 3. How many? 2 factors, not a composite number. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 factors are there. Yes, this is a composite number. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 factors. Yes, this is also a composite number. Right, student? Now composite number means what? When we learned about the factors, we observed that some numbers were divisible by more than 2 numbers. Some numbers are divisible by more than 2 numbers. That numbers are known as composite number. When we have more than 2 factors, those numbers are known as composite number. Right, children? What do you mean by composite number? Composite number means what? Composite number. Composite number means what? When we have more than 2 factors. When we have more than 2 factors, those are known as composite number. Right, children? Done? Prime number means what? Only 2 factors will be there, 1 and the number itself. And composite number means what? There should be more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors. Right? Suppose here 1, 2. 2 factors. This is not a composite. This is a prime number. Okay. Then 1, 2. 2 factors. Not a composite number. It is a prime number. Right? So it is said that all the composite numbers are prime number. All the composite number are the prime numbers. Okay, but not the prime numbers are not the composite. Don't get confused in this. It is not for you. Just go through your prime number and composite number. Prime number means there should be only two factors. Number 1 and the number itself. 1 and the number itself, right? And composite number means what? When we have more than two factors. It can be 3, it can be 4, it can be 5, etc. But it should be more than 2. More than 2, any number, no need to worry. Just you have to check whether there is 2 factor or 3 factor. If it is 2 factor, prime number. If it is 3 factor, composite number. Alright children, done? Okay. So in your question number exercise 5.4, question number 1, it is given that there is a table from 1 to 200, right? But we will do from numbers 1 to 100 only. Right children? What we will do? We will do the numbers from 1 to 100. Okay? So let us do it. Okay? Let it take time, but we will complete this. Right children? First of all, prime number, composite number done. Clear properly? Okay? Now let us do it. When we do this prime number solution, okay, we have to do one table. We have to do one table, and that table is known as what? You know, that name is given. Sieve of Eratosthenes. Sieve of Eratosthenes. The name is given to that table. One which we are going to do here, that table is known as what? Sieve of Eratosthenes. Right? You go through the video, as well as your book, page number 97. You can see there, Sieve of Eratosthenes. The table, name of the table is known as Sieve of Eratosthenes. Okay. All right. Now, first of all, when we make that, table, okay, we have to write the numbers like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay? 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Then 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Alright? Then 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Right? Then 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. As in your book, it is given till 1 to 200, but we are going to do only from 1 to 100. Okay, this is a table. This is a table. Now when we solve this, some will be crossed and some will be left as gap. Okay children, some will be what? Crossed and some will be left gap. Okay, so this table is known as what? Sieve of Eratosthenes. Right children, these numbers when we do and when we cross and leave a gap, leave it like this, that process is known as what? Table name is what? Sieve of Eratosthenes. Okay, now let us solve this. First of all, 1, make it a box. 1, what you have to do? Put a box. Okay, then say the table of 2. From 2, say the table of 2. 2 on the 2, that means what? All the even number you cross it. All the even number, all the even number, what you have to do? You have to cross, because we know all the even numbers are divisible by 2. Yes or no? You can do like so directly, you can cross it like this. No need to check, no need to see. Only the even numbers, fully group will be gone. Full group will be gone. Like this. Okay children? Don't worry, nothing is there. Just you go through and you will understand this video very properly. All the even number crossed. Okay? Now, say the table of 3. Leaving this number. 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9. 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15, 3 6 is 18, 3 7 is 21, 3 8 is 24, 3 9 is 27, 3 10 is 30, 33, 36, 39. What I have to do? Just add 3. Okay, 39, 40, 41, 42, cross. 43, 44, 45, cross. 46, 47, 48, cross. 49, 50, 51, cross. 52, 53, 54, cross. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. 3 also done. Now we are not going to do 4. Why? Because 4 is already crossed. Right children? 4 is already crossed, so we are not going to do 4. Then what is there? 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25, 5 6 is 30, 5 7 is 35, 5 8 is 40, 5 9 is 45, 5 10 is 50, 5 11 is 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 5 also gone. 6 is already crossed. No need to do. 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35, 7 6 is 42, 7 7 is 49, 7 8 is 56, 7 9 is 63, 7 10 is 70, 7 11 is 77, okay, 77, 7 12 is 84, okay, then 84 plus 7, 84 plus 7, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91. So what is there? 91. So here is the 91. Okay. Then 91 plus 7, 98. Cross. Done. 7 gone. 8 gone. 9 gone. 10 gone. 11. 11 1 is 11. 11 2 is 22. 11 3 is 33. 11 4 is 44. 11 5 is 55. 11 6 is 66. 11 7 is 77. 11 8 is 88. 11 9 is 99. 11 done. Now 12 cross. 13. 13 1 is 13. 13 2 is 26. 13 3 is 39. 13 4 is so 13 4 is 39 plus 13. 39 40 41 42 52. 52 cross. 52 plus 13. 52 53 54 55. It will be 65. Already crossed. 65 plus 13. 65 66 67 68 78. Already crossed. 78 plus 13. 78 79 80 81 91. Already crossed. So done. So whatever is left now, right here, whatever is left, whatever number is left not crossed, what is there? 2 3 5 7 8 gone, 9 gone, 10 11 13 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. Okay, these are the numbers left not cutted, right children? Rest all numbers are cut. These are the numbers which are not cut. These all are the number which is known as prime number. What is this all numbers known as? What children? These are the prime numbers, right children? I hope you understood this. Okay, now just go through this video, go through this table properly, go through the table properly, which is also given in your page number 98. Go through the page number 98 properly. Okay, you can get these numbers. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. These all are the numbers which are left not cutted. So this is your prime number. Now, okay, so these are the prime numbers, right children? So now let us do this as a question which is given in your copy book. This table is known as what? Sieve of Eratosthenes. This table is only known as Eratosthenes. Okay children? You can go through this table in your page number 98. So now, when we know the numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 87, 83, 89 and 97. Okay, these all were the numbers which were prime numbers. Now exercise 5.4 question number 1. Exercise 5.4 question number 1, number A. The question is saying write all the prime numbers between 80 and 100. Between 80 and 100 here. Between 80 and 100 we have to write the prime numbers. So question number A, between 80 and 100, what these three numbers? So answer number A will be what? 83, 89 and 97. Okay. Question number B. Question number B. Write all the prime numbers between 120 and 130. So we are not going to do this. Cross this. Okay. Then number C also cross. Number D. How many prime numbers are there between 1 and 100? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So number D, right children? Number D will be how much? 25 prime numbers are there. How many prime numbers are between 1 to 100? 25 prime numbers are there between 1 to 100. Okay children. Next. Question number E. No need cross. Question number E cross. Question number F. Question number F. Write 5 set of twin prime numbers. Okay, twin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Write 5 set of twin. Twin means what, you know children? Just one number gap. Just one number gap. 2, 3. Okay, first will be what? 2, 3. Then make this inside the bracket. Then 5, 7. Okay, next 11, 13. 1, 2, 3. Then 17, 19. Then see 23 and 29. Gap is there, no children? That will not be a twin. Then 31, 37. There is also gap. No. 41, 43. 41, 43. These are the twin prime numbers. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Twin prime. Twin means what? Just one number gap will be there. Just one number. 2, 3, 1. Then 5, 7. 5, 6, 7. One gap. 11, 12, 13. 12 gone. 17, 18, 19. One gap. 41, 42, 43. Like that. Okay children. You can do like this also. Leave this 2 and 3. You can take another number that. See here. 41, 43 already done. 47, 53. Gap is there. 59, 61. One gap. So what you can do here. You can write here 59, 61. See how many gap is there? Only one gap. 59, 60, then 61. One gap. Everywhere one gap. Okay. Now last question of your question number 1 is number G. Says that write 5 set of prime number whose difference is 4. There should be gap of 4. There should be gap of 4. 5 we will not get 5, but we will get it some few. Let us do it because we are doing from 1 to 100 and this question is from 1 to 200. Right children? Okay. See here. We can do this question. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay. Gap. Okay, exclude number G also. We will do only question number A, D and F. A, D and F. Right children? So, go through the video. Wherever you have doubt, you can ask me so that I can explain you this again and make it very much clear to you. Because this is just the starting of your mathematics that you are going to learn in your class 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 as well as your college life. Okay children, this topic is very important. Go through the video and if you have doubt, you can ask me. Right? Thank you.